How to log in or sign into ShowMax account online. So hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how we can log in or sign in into ShowMax account online. So let's just get ahead with the process, but before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So if you're wondering how you can log in or sign up into the ShowMax account, it is super easy. You just need to follow the steps that I'm showing on my screen right now. So first of all, head over to a browser, type in ShowMax login on the search bar, and just go ahead and tap on the very first link that appears on your screen. Just click on it. And in order to sign in on to the ShowMax, you can find this sign in option at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it. So here, in order to get further with the process, you just need to enter your email address, or you can also continue by entering your phone number instead. Just go ahead and type in that, and after that just enter your password, go on with the verification process, and you will be easily logged in, or should I say signed in into your ShowMax account. And that is it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.